Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Have you ever found yourself staring at a mountain of receipts, struggling to keep track of your invoices, and feeling completely overwhelmed by your finances? You're not alone. Many small business owners grapple with these challenges, and choosing the right accounting software can feel like navigating a minefield. Today, we're diving headfirst into a question that plagues countless entrepreneurs. Is Xero really different from QuickBooks? And more importantly, which one is the better fit for your business? Buckle up, because we're about to break down the key differences and help you make an informed decision. Now, let's be honest, both Xero and QuickBooks are giants in the accounting software world. They've been around for years, constantly evolving to meet the needs of modern businesses. But despite their similarities, there are some crucial distinctions that could make all the difference for your bottom line. So, let's get down to the nitty-gritty. 1. Ease of use and user interface. First up, let's talk about user experience. Xero is often praised for its intuitive interface and user-friendliness. It's designed with simplicity in mind, making it easier for beginners to navigate and get started. QuickBooks, while also user-friendly, can sometimes feel a bit more complex, especially for those new to accounting software. Think of it this way. Xero is like a sleek, modern car with a smooth, intuitive dashboard. It's easy to understand and navigate, even for someone who's not a car enthusiast. QuickBooks, on the other hand, is like a powerful truck with a more intricate control panel. It offers more features and customization options, but it might take a little longer to get used to. 2. Pricing and plans. Next, let's talk about the elephant in the room, pricing. Both Xero and QuickBooks offer a range of plans to suit different business needs and budgets. Generally, Xero tends to have a simpler pricing structure with plans based on the number of users. QuickBooks offers a wider variety of plans, including some geared towards specific industries like retail and manufacturing. It's crucial to carefully evaluate your business needs and compare the features included in each plan. Don't forget to factor in any extra costs like add-ons or integrations. 3. Features and functionality. Now, let's delve into the heart of the matter. Features and functionality. Xero, known for its strong invoicing and bank reconciliation features. It also excels at expense tracking and reporting, making it a great choice for businesses that rely heavily on online transactions. QuickBooks offers a more comprehensive feature set, including inventory management, payroll processing, and time tracking. It's a good all-around solution for businesses with more complex needs. Ultimately, the best choice depends on your specific requirements. Do you primarily need a streamlined invoicing system, or do you require a robust inventory management solution? Carefully consider the features that are most important to your business and choose the software that best meets those needs. 4. Integrations and ecosystem. In today's interconnected business world, integrations are key. Both Xero and QuickBooks boast extensive app marketplaces with a wide range of third-party integrations. Xero, known for its strong integrations with popular business tools like Shopify, Stripe, and PayPal. QuickBooks also offers a vast ecosystem of integrations, but it may have a slight edge in terms of the sheer number of available apps. Before making a decision, research the specific integrations that are crucial for your business. Ensure that the software you choose seamlessly integrates with your existing tools and workflows. 5. Customer support. When things go wrong, you need reliable support. Both Xero and QuickBooks offer various support options, including phone, email, and online resources. Xero, generally known for its excellent customer support, with a strong emphasis on online resources and self-service options. QuickBooks also provides solid customer support, with options like live chat and phone support available to paid subscribers. Read customer reviews and compare the support options offered by each provider to determine which one best aligns with your preferences. 6. Scalability and growth. Finally, consider the long term. As your business grows, your accounting needs will likely evolve. Xero, designed with scalability in mind, easily adapting to your changing needs as your business expands. QuickBooks also offers scalable solutions, but you may need to upgrade to a higher tier plan as your business grows. Choose a software that can grow with you, avoiding the hassle of switching platforms down the line. 7. Let's recap. Okay, let's recap. Xero, generally easier to use, has a simpler pricing structure, and excels at invoicing and online transactions. QuickBooks offers a wider range of features, more robust inventory management, and a larger app marketplace. Ultimately, the best choice depends on your specific needs and budget. Consider factors like ease of use, pricing, features, integrations, customer support, and scalability. Now, I'd love to hear from you. Have you used Xero or QuickBooks? Which one did you prefer? What were the biggest factors that influenced your decision? Share your experiences in the comments below. Let's start a conversation. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tips and insights on all things business. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.